Hello everyone, I hope you're having a nice weekend and welcome to a new deep analysis for Solana. This video is specialized for Manish because of course he asked me some questions about if Solana might follow Bitcoin. And it's a very interesting question that therefore I would like to investigate it much more. And today I made a little bit deeper technical analysis to see what are the potential and the possibilities of Solana for the future. So first of all, we start on the daily chart. We are still in that 1-2 impulse 3 and finished potentially wave 4, and we are looking for a wave 5 towards the upside. Inside the wave 3, we are looking for a clear impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 perfectly finished, which is potential to be turning to a wave C, A, B, and a C in case we went for lower prices. So this is just in the daily now, just to make sure that you understand if we see an impulse here that might turn into a wave C for A, B, and C in case we go lower with prices. Now, if we go to the 4-hour chart, before going to the 4-hour chart first, I would like to explain as well the alternation here of between those scenarios on the wave 4. Now, of course, we have finished a wave 4 here potentially on 0.5, which is perfect for a wave 4, right? However, we cannot really count this as ABC, right? Because the time of finishing a wave C here for a zigzag has totally passed. Plus, the 1-to-1 has been not respected even. Okay, this is a 1-to-1 for a zigzag taken from the start here to the A and to the B, whether from this B, then this is your 1. If you take it from this B, then it's almost the same. So therefore, this is almost your 1-to-1 fib level. It has not been hit as well. So most likely the second common in rank, I would call this in fib level for a zigzag, would be the 0.618, which has been respectively hit here. And also it has been hit inside the fib time respectively for a wave, for a pattern of a zigzag. So that we has more potential to count this as finished zigzag. Therefore, once we are done here, then we are looking here at 3 waves up and potentially 3 waves down, okay? And of course, then we might go up for an expanding flat. Those are the expanding flat wave B, all right? So if we see here 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and yeah, then we're gonna hit exactly those fib levels and then move up towards wave C. As I mentioned yesterday, on the 4-hour chart, we can see that we have hit the target perfectly, right? Exactly here. So we were inside this wave B, potentially that it is unfolding maybe as a flat, expanding flat. So yesterday we have hit exactly the target 1-to-1 as for a zigzag. So that is perfect. That means we can take this pattern so far as alone, and this pattern of course as alone. However, this pattern is still here. It can be considered both like 5 waves up, and at the same time it looks like a little bit like 3 waves up. So it's a little bit tricky here that it can be count a 1, 2 or even an A for a zigzag, right? And we are looking for wave C for a zigzag. However, after, of course, reanalyzing more deeper in Solana, the time of a zigzag has passed so far. So far, this is your target for a zigzag or for a wave 1, somewhere here, even if it is, taken from here, I think it is, this is the one. So this is your target here. This is for an impulse, in case it is 1. And in the pink scenario here, okay, this should be your zigzag. However, the time has passed so far for a zigzag. Therefore, the possibilities of this scenario went so low now. Therefore, I prefer, of course, to remove this scenario. Of course, even for the wave 1 as well, it could be lower possibility, because, of course, we need as well to finish a wave 2 before, somewhere here, right? I mean, yeah, we have even passed for wave 2 somehow, but still, what it makes me more convinced still that we are in 1-2 is our daily scenario. That's all. I need to still consider it, because of wave 1. Look at the wave 1 as well here. 1, look how much the wave 2 took time. Therefore, I cannot complain about having wave 2 with the same pattern, right? So, therefore, in case that this is a wave 1 and the wave 2 is still unfolding, then of course we are still looking for downside. Now we have seen an impulse here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we almost have finished a wave A for a wave B, right? And we are expecting a wave B, of course, to go with a second wave towards the downside. So we are expecting 3 waves up, and then impulse or diagonal towards the downside, finishing those 3 waves down, right? In that case, as I showed you before on the daily, okay, I cannot complain about this huge 1-2, because this is what the history did in Solana. Very simple. And of course, time is not an invalidation in the theory of Elliott Waves, but it's a very low possibility. But this is not an invalidation. Therefore, I still have to count this a 1-2. And okay, so this is the scenarios now. Only the more or less scenario is a zigzag, because the zigzag, it has passed so much, and normally the zigzag should be very fast. That's why it's called zigzag, right? It should be very fast. This is the thing. On the 1 hour chart, I have another possibility here that it could unfold. We can see it also as a 4 hour chart, just briefly. So what I was saying, that since the zigzag has disappeared, then why not considering now this is A, B, and a C? Okay, finishing a wave A and looking anyway for a wave B, which it should be the wave 2 as well at the same time. So these are 2 scenarios now matching together, which has more possibilities now that we can have for more downside prices, and then move up, whether for a wave C or for a wave 3. So those 2 scenarios are now in confluence together, and both lead us to lower prices. Of course, after having 3 waves down, up here, and then 5 waves down, right? So very, very nice scenarios getting in confluence, leading us much more clearer to which side we have much higher possibility, right? On the 1 hour chart, we're gonna see much more clearly the fib levels and the things. So in case, because this could be only now 1, so this could be a 2. It cannot be an A, because an A, this is a 5 waves, and then it should be like very fast zigzag. It's not. Then we have to consider 3 waves up here, and then okay, 3 waves. However, we can consider this all of it ABC, right? As an A, right? Here in magenta, an A, and and then we are looking for a B. So 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and then 5 waves up toward wave C. And your wave B, okay, of course here, because it is a zigzag, because we have 5 waves down, so clearly this is a zigzag, not a flat, which is much more clearer than being a flat for a wave B. So we might have 3 waves towards the upside, hitting exactly those fib levels, those prices. It should be respected also with this time, because it's a zigzag. It should stay looking like a zigzag, right? Fast a little bit, and then go down, of course, for a wave C. So those are the deepest analysis yet for now. For how much I went far into it, of course, inside it on the 1 hour chart. Now, okay, wave C here has passed a little bit the time, but yeah, as I said, it's not invalidation, so it has hit perfectly the target even after a little bit the time. Sorry for the sounds. This is Germany. Always we have these sounds in the streets. If it was very loud in the video. Okay, so that was it, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and for your comments. I wish you to have a nice weekend again, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.